Bobby.
Oh, but why you gotta grab it?
You want to get cut again?
You gotta move up. Move the fingers. Watch this filler don't fall off.
Okay, good.
Watch this.
Come on, cut it.
Is that all you can get?
There's no point in doing that. There is too.
See?
Then grab it. What do you mean grab it? You can't grab it unless you cut it. I know, but it's like,
okay, well then grab it then. Grab it.
You get
Come
it.
on. You get it.
Get it.
It's your fish, not mine.
I already did as much as I want to do.
Fucking pussy.
It's gonna be too little anyway.
Yeah, get all them bones in there, Bobby.
The goop is really different.
Is he alright?
Fucking puss.
Yummy. Let's throw it at him. Say here's your fish.
Here. Here's your meat.
Cook it up.
Alright, get that bug off.
Must pick that up when we dropped it on the
Pick
ground.
it up.
Picked
Pick it up.
You can eat the skin? Take a bite, bitch. Do it.
Do it. Hold on. Hold on.
Do it.
Yeah?
Do it. Do it. It's fucking sushi.
It's sushi. Do it.
I don't like
Eat it.
sushi.
You love sushi.
Fucking eat it. Yeah.
Chill it up. Yeah.
Tristan, eat it. Come on.
You eat it.
Hell no, not.
Well, here's your meat.
Alright, cool.
Half chewed. Are you gonna cut the skin off or what?
No, I don't think you have to, do you?
No,
I
not
didn't
with
do it
trout.
last time.
Yeah, I think you can eat trout. The skin doesn't have a whole lot of scales on it.
Cook it up.
Doing what with it?
Get a pan, dude.
Oh, with a pan. Where's the pan?
No, it's all
I'm
him.
going in the trailer to wash the fucking...
Tell them where the pans are.
They're in the trailer.
They're underneath that.
RJ, come on. I need somebody to turn the light on.
It's a switch.
He's fucking covered in blood, dude.
Oh.